Hi guys, hope you're all doing well. So today I am off to get my hair done and I currently look like a floating head in a black background. But anyway, just parked up outside the hair boutique in Renfrew. That is where my hairdresser Louise works. So we're going in today to do my hair. I need to get my dark colour done because I've been getting so many greys, just little like kind of wiry ones just firing out everywhere, so I need to get that done. And I'm also going to get some more of the kind of lighter balayage type highlights at the bottom. But I get so many questions on Instagram and also on YouTube asking what colour I get my hair, what colour the dark brown is, what shade I get for the toner that's put on the light parts. So I thought it'd be a good idea to take you over today, show you the process of getting my hair done, introduce you to Louise, who is just the nicest person ever, and show you exactly what I get done. So we're here just now. It has just been done up as well. I've not been in the salon since it's been renovated, so I'm so excited to see it. I've seen pictures but not in real life. So yeah, let's go because I'm late by 10 minutes. Louise's got her trolley ready. Right, so see my base colour, everyone always asks me what colour it is.
You are a bit base 6.
6?
Yes.
So if anyone wants to know the colour,
base 5, but you're a base
5 or a 6. Because I've got quite a nice like cool brown. I think it's sometimes quite hard to get that colour, isn't it?
Yes, it is. It can be.
My scalp's also so dry, by the way, you'll notice. It's
Is
like
it so
terrible. No, it's just so dry. Remember that stuff you gave me before and it was like a kind of like scalp oil stuff?
Yes.
That was amazing. It just
Have
took
you used
everything
it
away. It's done.
Right,
Finished it.
We'll use
another one.
today in the salon then today, alright?
Okay, no worries.
So I'm not going to go up too high with your highlights. I'm just going to add in some extra just lighter pieces to it.
Cool.
No really higher with these ones here, but I'm going to make it a wee bit lighter around your face.
Yeah,
Okay.
cool. Ideal. So it's nice as well because even though some of the cones in it are warmer, they're not like brassy warm.
No, they're not.
They're nice and cool. Do a wee time lapse. Oh, what about the wedding thing, the Scottish wedding thing? That looks amazing. The direction thing, what's that was called? Scottish wedding?
Tie knot or the one with David Bridal?
What was the one? No, it was the actual Scottish wedding direction. Did you see it?
No.
Have you not seen it?
No.
Hold on. See the actual, wait a minute, hold on, what is it? SWD, Scottish Wedding Directories. SWD.
What featured your wedding?
I've got a 2-page spread in it, you're in it.
Ah, really? I did not know this.
Like, so it's hysterical, right? Because, where's the picture of it? I should have bloody brought it in. That's so annoying, I'll get you one, mate.
So when was the article in the...
I just thought you knew about it. Right, so it was in like this month. But it was funny because they did something like how the girls on the gram do their wedding or something, right? And they had like a page, 2-page with like a wee bit about Lydia Milligan's wedding. Who else is on it?
You love her.
I love her, actually love her. Millie McIntosh.
Right, okay.
There's loads of different community influencer or like blogger or lifestyle people that were on it. And then the next page was a 2-pager all about our wedding. So it's like you
Did they
in
come out and
it.
interview you or?
They sent me all my questions and then they phoned me. But it was, what do you call it? It was Supernova that organised it all.
Right,
They wanted to go in it. So it was of course all their pictures and whatever, but you, like I had all, there was a big bit about you that I'd written and there was a bit about...
Thank you very much. Is it out this month?
It's out now.
Right, okay.
Well, let me see, I've got it in stories actually.
I'm now going to have to go buy one after the finish.
All my foils are on and I'm just popped under this heater for 20 minutes just to help it speed up the process. But we've just done like little small bits of highlight and it'll just give a nice difference between what I've already got, so we'll have loads of different wee shades. But you can really see the colours left today. I think because I've already had blonde in it as well, it just goes really, really quickly.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Are you going through there?
Yeah, that's fine, thank you.
Yeah, that's
Shampoo.
shampoo. What I'm putting on here.
So you don't realise how much that works. My friend used it on extensions and kept it in for too long and the extensions end up
Purple.
lilac,
Yeah,
actual lilac
purple.
hair. So what one is that that's in it? Just
This
now?
is the Balayage that I'm putting on, number 2. Balayage number 2, it's that treatment.
God, look at that, just slides through.
know.
My hair's really like brittle as well at the end. I hate getting it cut. Do you know, I never got my hair cut for like 3 years because I was terrified of it getting short. Honestly.
That's like me as well.
I think I must have had like bad experiences where my hair would just get chopped off.
I know it's like when you're in the hairdressers and they're like, oh, do you like it? And you're like, yeah.
And yeah,
Like, you hate
going home and trying to restyle it. Let me wash it again.
It's so satisfying.
I know. Look at it smooth.
To make this hard to last, let us light 'em up, let us light.
Focus all up the colour as well. So you get the toners and the root fade on.
Yeah. Because you can really see these ones have like lightened up loads, eh? So you just come and get your hair done, it's like the ultimate chill. So
I know.
Just have nothing to do just now. Apart
Sit
from
have a coffee, read a magazine.
Still warm.
I know, that's it. And actually get to read a magazine.
Exactly. Do you know, I cannot remember, I keep saying I want to, well I've been reading that book, you know that book, The Secret?
Yes,
I'm about halfway through it, but I think it's taken me about 3 months.
Really?
Honestly, I just have no time.
Unless you do it at night and sometimes you're too tired at night.
Well that's the thing, I have like 1 or 2 like pages and I'm like falling asleep.
I buy magazines in the supermarket and I'm like, I don't know why I do this. Because
And then also do you not feel sometimes you're like wasting money on a magazine because you can find out all the same goss and
yeah, on
like social media.
Exactly.
Yeah, like I've been putting my hair up recently, right? And then like I've been doing like this routine, just brushing it and then going, what is that wee white thing sticking up there?
Don't worry, you're not going to bury them with time with
Oh my god, some good lots of cream. Probably
There's
just
not.
because
There's not.
Is there not? Is it just that I'm seeing them?
Just because they're on your head and you see them.
Because I'm making yourself known. So what colour is the toner then that I get to on that?
You've got 3 different toners.
Right.
And it's the Balayage range from Wella Professionals. So it's a cool tone, but it's got a slight bit of warmth in it, just to make it more kind of caramel. Cool caramel, we could call
Cool
it.
caramel. See, I find when I've got my hair like this, I was saying to Lauren, like, see when I curl it, you can really see what
All the
shape I've
different-
got, like, because you can actually see my hair. I was looking back in pictures, I didn't realise how dark I was before.
Really?
Aha,
Yeah.
it's so dark.
So this just makes the pre-lighting pieces, it just makes it a bit more multi-tonal. So when you get it curly, you get to see all the different colours throughout the hair. But every time you wash your hair, as you know, it gets
A wee bit lighter.
a bit lighter, it changes all the time. So how much you having off?
How much do I need off? That's probably the question.
When did we last do it?
November.
November. Probably about 1.5 inches it would have grown.
Right.
Floating that off it.
Just whatever you think it's going to make it healthy. Healthy milk.
Nice and
Plus the end of it's like dead anyway. It's all like thickery, if I just take a lot.
thicker and chunky.
Let's do that then.